welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I'm going to be cast stuffing my 100 envelope saving challenge. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I'm so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties, those are guys that are new watching my channel. I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cast stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? I hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, so far this week, work has been fine. I haven't been doing a whole lot. I want to let you guys know, though, that I am super excited because, guess what, y'all? I received my first YouTube check. Yay! Sweeties, I'm so excited about it. And so I want to let you guys know the amount that I have received. My first check was $101.65. And so that is what we're going to be stuffing today. But I had to take out for my tithes and offerings. And then so the amount that it left me was $70. All right, sweeties. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take out the monies out of this envelope. I'm going to place this envelope on the side. And I'm going to count to make sure this is $70. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And that is correct. All right, sweeties. So once again, you guys, if it wasn't for you watching my channel, looking at the ads, you guys, this wouldn't be possible. I am just so grateful and so thankful for all of you guys. And once again, you guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway. It's going to be at the end of next month. But once again, you guys, thank you so much for watching the ads, doing the videos, and just being here for me and supporting my channel. So, sweeties, I'm going to separate the denominations. I'm going to place it over here in this cash tray. All right, sweeties, I won't be with you very long. I just want to cast stuff. And so this is my 100 envelope binder. And so I want to let you guys know that my twin, I had the 100 envelope challenge on my channel before, but it was a long time ago, you guys. And so I want to continue on as much as I can this year with it. And so I had a different binder. So I had changed the binder and I had came up with this. So, sweeties, I want to let you guys know that my twin, Tina, she had actually put this binder together. And so she created the board, the tracker, and she had placed all the numbers and everything on these pouches. So I am so excited about that. And so, sweeties, we're going to be cast stuffing 16, 17, 18, and 19. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to color the trackers in. And let me see. I think I'm going to be working with the big markers, and these are the medium point. I'm going to be working with those today. So I'm going to color in. Let me see. Let me get the blue marker. And here it is, sweeties. I'm going to color in the 16 right quick. Once again, you guys, I'm not going to be with you very long. This is going to be a short video. I just want to come on here and let you guys know what I going to be cast stuffing. I went out the line, y'all. Sorry about that. I just want to show you that I'm going to be cast stuffing the 100 envelope saving challenge, and what I did with the YouTube check. And so let me color this 17 pink. And next, I'm going to do number 18. I think I'm going to color that one. I think I'm going to do purple, you guys. Let me color that in. Since I colored out the line on this one, honey, I'm going to have to I'm going to have to take some alcohol and redo that one again, y'all. All right, sweeties, and let's see. I'm going to make this one look a little bit better off camera. And then the next one and the last one is going to be 19. So I'm going to color that one. Let's see. You know what? I think I might do that one. I think I'm going to do that with yellow, you guys. All right, sweeties. Okay, so let's go to 16 here. Let's cast off 16. So let me take a 10, a 5, and a 1. So that's 10, 15, 16. And let me see, can I fold it nice and neat and place it down inside? I like folding it, you guys, this way. I just like the aesthetic of how it looks instead of, you know, how it being like some people fold it multiple times. I just like it like this. But it is kind of a little bit rough to place it in there, but it fits in there though. All right, sweetie, so I did 16. All right, let's cast up 17. So let me take a 10, a 5, and 2 1s. So that's 10, 15, 16, 17. Let's fold this up nice and neat. And let's face it this way. Like I say, it's kind of hard to, wait, let me get a grip. All right, sweeties, let's try this again. Okay, here we go. It's kind of bent down here in the corner. Okay, there we go. It's sliding in. It's like it's really kind of rough. Like, to me, I think it's better when you have crisp bills. I think it's better that way. All right, sweetie, so we're going to cast up 18. So that's 10, 15. Here you go, 2, and another 1. All right, sweetie, so that's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And let's fold this up nice and neat. All right, let's see, can we cast up this one? Okay, it's like I have to, wait, let's try this, y'all. And also, too, you know what? Maybe the thicker it gets, too, you know, the more probably difficult it's getting in, hard to get in here. Let's see. Sorry, y'all, it's taking me a while. Especially, honey, my nails don't help either. All right, here we go. It's slowly, I'm slowly trying to get it in here. Okay, here we go. There we go. All right. All right, last but not least, it's $19. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, sweeties, let's fold the last of these monies. And let's place it down inside number 19, the little pocket here. All right. Okay, that went down a little bit easier. Thank God. All right, sweeties. So this is how it looks now. So we up to, now we up to 20. So, honey, we got a long way to go. But I'm going to just keep on cast stuffing this, honey, until I get all the way to the end. So this is how it looks now. See, I love the aesthetic of how this looks. And I am super duper excited, you guys. And that's all I want to show you. So, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. Don't forget to watch the ads during my videos before and after. And I will see you in my next one.